Comments relating black-on-black crime to killings by the KKK. Those comments from a Montgomery County judge got reaction from an NAACP leader, but it's not the response that you might expect. News Channel 5's Jason Lamb went to Clarksville to get a copy of the recordings. You're hearing new at 10 tonight.
The judge made the comment about black-on-black crime during a homicide case where people in two cars were driving down the road shooting at each other until one person was shot and killed.
Morning, Your Honor.
It started out as just another day on the bench for Montgomery County Judge Wayne Shelton.
State versus Vincent Merriweather.
A preliminary hearing for Merriweather, who police say was part of two groups shooting at each other driving down the road in November. Police say one person was killed, and with the crash, it ended. But for Judge Shelton,
To the total disregard of the safety of the public.
Things were just getting started.
I'm tired of seeing young black men shooting at each other in this community, in this nation. I don't understand it. I grew up in a time when people wore white robes and they shot at black people. And now we see young black men wearing black hoodies shooting at black men and doing a much more effective job than the Klan ever thought about doing. I'm sick of it.
As you might expect, the head of the Clarksville branch of the NAACP had some words after hearing that from the judge, but they were words.
And he was just trying to make a point.
In support of him.
The judge was on point. He was on point when he actually made that analogy.
He says he knows Judge Shelton and agrees with him in this case.
When you use that as an analogy, they are doing a better job because they are killing one another. They're killing one another.
He says people who might criticize what Judge Shelton said need to look at themselves first.
Ask themselves, what are they doing to try to help young black or young white or young brown kids to stop killing one another?
Soon in the courtroom, it was back to business as usual.
I'll put in $500,000.
After the judge's comment, though, it was time for a break.
I'm going to take a recess.
Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.